Good morning, guys. Welcome to Tuesday. We're going to go over Dogecoin and we're going to try to find the best area for you guys as well as myself to get money back into Dogecoin to ride this thing back up so we can make some more money. What we've been doing is we've been accumulating as much Dogecoin as we can at these lower prices here, and we've entered in with $50,000 at about $20,550 for Bitcoin. And we're pretty close to that point right now. So we're sitting up about just over $4,000 in the account because we've successfully accumulated more crypto during this point. So it's been pretty awesome. Real quickly, the long-term holding account is at 72,500. EOS has gone up just a little bit. So 72,500 has turned into 77,000. So around $5,000 more-ish honestly in the last 24 hours. So that's not too bad, because EOS is taking the show over. We talked about that yesterday. Okay, let's go into Dogecoin today. Here's what I'm just gonna keep it simple, guys. I know sometimes we get on these charts and we love to have the CIA feeling where we're sitting behind the desk and we got 10 monitors up and we're looking at news and all that. We found a way to keep trading really simple, and we coded an algorithm, and it's just telling us where the tops and the bottoms are the best they can. So really what I'm watching for is I'm watching for Dogecoin right now on this kind of this settling out phase we have right now. What's happening is we're building a lot of pressure right now. And what I'm watching for is either the pressure to break to the upside or downside. Now, what we've been doing here is we've been using the TC top and bottom finder as well as the TC market reversal. This is in the description. Snag this indicator, guys. It literally is the best metric to call tops and bottoms in crypto. If you can call tops and bottoms, you can make more money. That is just at the core base of trading. If someone were to come to you and say, hey, how do I make money trading? It is buy low and sell high, or if you're shorting, you need to start high and you need to exit when you're low, okay? So we got a strong sell signal out over here because the candle pushed up into a red liquidity pool and we got the strong sell. Great. We ended up taking some profit over here, about 50%. You can see this over here. It's overlaid just a little bit. What I've been doing is I've been entering back into the market here on these green lines, and we've been able to do that partly with the 4-hour time frame, because we can see down here we've gotten some buy signals coming out, and I saw some support that we were hitting. So we've been accumulating this. Let me take you guys over to the daily time frame real quick and show you this. If you guys come over to our website, tradeconfident.io, you guys can actually watch these charts every morning. So let's take a look at Bitcoin, Ethereum. We're going to move our way down to Dogecoin, because here's where I'm honestly watching, guys, for the next greatest spot to get back into the market. Because if you guys can observe this for a second, all of this money that's flowing out of the market cap is just settling down right now into this nice little, let's call it a valley right now. Eventually, I fully believe that crypto is going to take off. Now, I know there's a lot of people thinking that we could go, to 5 cents, 3 cents, 2 cents. And if that happens, that's fine. But I'm specifically, and I want all of you guys to watch for this one thing. You need to watch for the next buy or the next strong buy signal. The reason for this is because it is literally called the bottoms of Dogecoin almost every single time. And it did call the exact bottom candle for Dogecoin before we saw moves back up. So if you guys are asking me, and you need to answer this for yourself, do you guys want to accumulate more Dogecoin before we eventually see a huge move back up? You need to be watching these charts. You can pair this with Bitcoin as well, because I believe Bitcoin and Ethereum are also going to start seeing moves like this, and you need to watch for the next buy signal to come out. Interesting enough, Bitcoin already got a buy, and Ethereum, I think we could get a buy if we come out and just see a little bit further push down here. You guys can access all these charts. Go to tradeconfident.io. It's only $75 a month. All of the crypto charts as well as the stock charts are all yours. Okay, it's not both fees. You pay $75, you get access to both. We lowered it from $95 to $75. You get access to everything. Okay, we're also calling out scalping trades for you guys, and we are 440% more than the S&P 500, and we currently have a trade open at the moment. Before we end this video, I just want to leave you guys with this. Get this indicator and set it up today, and make sure you guys are setting up the alerts. I do not think the next buy signal is going to last very long at a lower price before we start seeing moves up. So let me teach you guys real quick how to do this. Once this is loaded on your chart, come to your alert setting. You can do this on any coin. Click alert. Come over here and go to TC top and bottom finder. I want you guys to look for a buy, and you're going to do once per bar close, and you want to do Doge, and you're going to do buy, okay? And then you're going to click create. I'm gonna do one more just so everybody can see it on this channel so you guys can follow me. If you're trying to make money in crypto, you have to buy low at the right times. And then you're gonna do a strong buy. And I want you guys to come down here and do strong buy. And then you're gonna do, I'll put Doge in the beginning just to make it, we can understand a little bit better. And then we'll create it. What's gonna happen now is once the bar closes and it has a strong buy or a buy signal at the bottom, which is literally called the exact bottom candle here, the exact bottom candle, exact bottom candle, and exact bottom candle, all right? 3 times in a row. We're looking for that fourth one, and that is also where I'm going to be looking to get money back into the market and call it out to all of our members because we're getting money back into this market to buy this up before crypto. I do believe eventually we'll recover incredibly well, and we will see some new all-time highs sometime in the future. But right now is the time to accumulate, and we are doing that with honestly, I believe the best metric we have in the entire industry of crypto. And when we start heading back up, guess what we're going to do? We're going to look to start scaling out because if this indicator is good enough, guys, it should be calling the tops. And it is literally calling the exact top candle up here for a sell, exact top candle up here for a sell, and the exact top candle for a sell. So guys, we've been so jacked about this metric, and I think you guys are just absolutely going to love it. So it's in the description. Enjoy all the money you guys make with it. If you guys have purchased our bundle pack in the past, definitely email us. We'll give you guys a discount. But literally, we have guys over here they're like, great indicator, already made my money back. 2 people made their money back within 48 hours, 24 hours. Scalping trades we're calling out, people making $2,000 over here. The indicator is amazing, everyone. Get it now. So it's been really fun to work with you guys. And this guy literally did, I'll get this really big here. He did 450%. He did use leverage, everybody, but he used the new indicator. He did 450% with his account, and it's been pretty ridiculous on the 30-minute time frame. So guys, I love you. I hope you're having fun. This makes trading so much more simple, and when you have something this accurate, it gives you just a lot more confidence to trade, and the videos become more simple when I do analysis here because I'm just waiting for the next signal. Like, I'm not trying to look at a bunch of Fibonacci retracements. I'm not looking at a bunch of supports. Like, I'm telling you guys, I've done trading for thousands of hours. I've done the technical analysis stuff. There's 469 lines of code in this algorithm, and it doesn't use a single oscillator. It doesn't use MACD, stochastic, MFI, CCI, you name it. It's smarter than me. Like, I wasn't even able to predict the bottom here with all my technical analysis, or here, or here. And this is predicting the exact top, exact bottom candle, exact top candle, exact top candle, exact bottom, and exact top. It's smarter than anything I've even worked with in the past, and so I'm learning to just trust it because I know how it's coded, and it's something different that no retail trader has access to because it's a mathematical equation. It's not an oscillator that everyone's using, and that's what makes it so powerful. So guys, it's in the description. Snag it. I'll keep the videos coming out, and I'll just keep showing you how I'm using it and how the account is, honestly, we're continuing to grow over here, and it's just been really fun. So guys, I love you. God bless you so much. Everything is in the description. Snag it, enjoy it, play around with it today, set up those alerts, and let's get ready to buy some more crypto. All right, we'll see you guys. Bye-bye.